Are you a coach struggling with how to effectively make a difference in the lives of the clients that you work with? Well, I got just the thing for you. Today, we're going to use one of my all-time favorite modalities called EFT, aka tapping, to help you energetically step into that next level coach. Let's go. I just want to help and do no harm. But sometimes I wonder if I'm doing enough. Sometimes I question if I have what it really takes to be a coach. And I don't know if I can make the difference that I truly desire to make. And even though I feel this way, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I know that I have a gift to share with the world. And I know that I have the tools and the know-how to be able to make it happen. My passion and my desire to help and give back takes me so far. And when I show up as that confident and next level coach, I get to provide deep levels of transformation for my clients. Great job. If you're ready to create a toolbox of strategies that allow you to create transformations that go deeper, last longer, and happen faster, join us inside the Elevate Method. This is a decision that your future self will thank you for.